scared. Remember that you have to dream. It is better to actually dream, strive hard and fail than to be known as people who never strive hard or always fail. I wish you all the best. I rejoice with your family and with your friends in your success as you go out into the world. I want to remind you that your university, which has given you some social values and education, is only as good as its alumni, of which you and I are proud to be one and one of the first few. So go out there, dream, innovate, believe in yourself, enjoy and be successful. Thank you all, you have my blessing.
Now I request the Honorable Vice Chancellor to read out the citation for conferment of the degree of Doctor of Philosophy Honoris Causa on Sri Arvind Dham, a leading industrialist.
An apostle of knowledge and possessing an attitude to win in difficult situations, is the chairman and managing director of $1.4 billion conglomerate MTech group of companies, which are premier group of automotive manufacturing companies spread over the globe. Born in 1961, he earned his bachelor's degree in architecture from Punjab University, Chandigarh, and master's in architecture from University of New York, Buffalo, USA. He began his career at Satluj Construction Company at Chandigarh as director in 1987 and subsequently established MTech Group of Companies, a truly global group having 19 companies in India, United Kingdom and Germany. The group under his dynamic leadership has become India's largest manufacturer of wide variety of automotive components and is now much diversified and has forayed into steel mining, packaging, machine building, rail car manufacturing and real estate development. Success in business depends upon hard work and smartness, which is true in case of Sri Arvind Dham, under whose dynamic leadership his group company MTech India was declared as the emerging company of the year 2005-06 by Economic Times. Additionally, the prestigious award of Udyog Patra has been conferred upon him by the Government of India. Being a responsible corporate citizen, he is highly regarded in the business sector globally for his values and ethics and has consistently been rated as the top wealth creator for his shareholder. He is a firm believer and supporter of traditional Indian family life and every sportsman representing the state of Punjab in Coach Bihar, great wealth among stakeholders and promoting high values and ethics into business. The Tirthankar Mahavir University, Moradabad, is proud to confer upon Sri Arvind Dham the degree of Doctor of Philosophy Honoris Causa. Honorable Chancellor Sir, I feel honored to present to you Sri Arvind Dham for the conferment of degree of Doctor of Philosophy Honoris Causa.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of Tirthankar Mahavir University, I admit Shri Arvind Dham to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy Honoris Causa.
The trustee of Batra Hospital and Acharya Shri Chandra Chinar College and Hospital of Medical Sciences, Jammu, and is a successful social entrepreneur promoting healthcare, sports, education, and religious philanthropy. Born in 1957 at Sonipat in Haryana, he had his primary as well as higher education in Srinagar, which culminated in getting LLB from the University of Kashmir in 1981. Shri Batra has been an acclaimed hockey player in his student life and represented the state of J&K on numerous occasions in various hockey championships. Being an enthusiastic sports lover and has been associated with various sports federations such as Hockey J&K as its president, Indian Hockey Federation as its senior vice president, Hockey India as secretary general, Asian Hockey Federation as vice president, temples and religious sites, and rehabilitation of earthquake victims. He is also vigorously involved to get the sports activity revived in J&K through J&K Sports Council, owing to his firm belief that sports help in developing sportsmanship, self-discipline and fairness, besides bringing harmony. In recognition of his outstanding contribution to healthcare, sports, education, religious philanthropy and social welfare activities, thus making the difference in common man's life, the Tirthankar Mahavir University Muradabad is proud to confer on Shri Narendra Batra the degree of Doctor of Philosophy honoris causa. Honorable Chancellor Sir, I feel honored to present to you Shri Narendra Batra for the conferment of degree of Doctor of Philosophy honoris causa.
Statue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of the Tirthankar Mahavir University, I admit Shri Narendra Batra to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy honoris causa.
Shri Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, the most admired equity investor and popularly known as India's Warren Buffett, was born in 1960. He earned his BCom honors from Sindham College of Commerce and Economics, Mumbai, and later on qualified as Chartered Accountant from Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Shri Jhunjhunwala converted his hobby of trading and investment in equity market into a profession. A firm believer in India's growth story, he entered the stock market in 1984 with mere $100 and whose wealth has grown exponentially, touching $1.2 billion. Recently, he has been rated as India's 45th and world 162nd richest person by Forbes. Apart from being the founder of Rare Enterprises, he is also the chairman of FTech Limited, Hungama Media Entertainment Private Limited. He is also on the board of directors of different companies such as Prime Focus Limited, Geojit Financial Services Limited, Viceroy Hotels Limited, Nagarjuna Construction Limited, to name a few. Over time, he has carefully crafted addressable opportunity, competitive ability, operating leverage, scalability and integrity of management. He combines the rare and diverse skills as a brilliant equity trader, investor, visionary and mentor of new business ideas through private equity. As a part of his duty towards society through Rakesh Jhunjhunwala Foundation, he has pledged to donate 1/4 of his wealth during his lifetime and raise its corpus to $1 billion by 2020. He also offers his helping hand to Agastya International Foundation, an organization dedicated to promote teaching of science in rural areas, thereby generating curiosity in rural children, which is the source of all knowledge which Shri Jhunjhunwala has experienced in life. In recognition of his extraordinary contribution in the field of development of equity and stock market, promotion of new business ideas through private equity, and incomparable support to philanthropic activities for nurturing talent in rural India, the Tirthankar Mahavir University Muradabad is proud to confer upon Shri Rakesh Jhunjhunwala the degree of Doctor of Philosophy honoris causa. Honorable Chancellor Sir, I feel honored to present to you Shri Rakesh Jhunjhunwala for conferment of degree of Doctor of Philosophy honoris causa.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of the Tirthankar Mahavir University, I admit Shri Rakesh Jhunjhunwala to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy honoris causa.
multi-dimensional personality, was born in Aligarh with inborn talent in 1944. He is a noted music composer, singer and lyricist who has enriched and influenced the world of music after obtaining his Sangeet Prabhakar degree from Prayag Sangeet Samiti, Allahabad. From the 80s to the present, he has immensely contributed to Indian film industry by giving music and voice to Super Duper, Chor Machai Shor, Geet Gata Chal, Fakira, Chit Chor, Ram Teri Ganga Melli, Hina, Viva, to name a few. He has given music to over 200 films in many languages and to television serials of the fame like Ramayan, Jai Shri Krishna, Hanuman, Sai Baba, Alif Laila and many more, thus influencing music lovers of all generations. His style of music endeavors to bridge many gaps and is a confluence of the classic, modern and folk and contemporary. Legendary singers of the day like Mohammad Rafi Sahab, Kishore Da, Mukesh Ji and living legends Lata Ji and Asha Ji love to give their voice to the song composed by Shri Ravindra Jain. He is equally comfortable with contemporary singers like Udit Narayan, Sonu Nigam, Shan, Javed Ali, Kavita Krishnamurthy, Alka Yagnik, Shreya Ghoshal and Suniti Chauhan. He is credited to have promoted and discovered singers of the stature like Yashodas, Hemlata, Jaspal Singh, Suresh Wadekar. In the light of Shri Ravindra Jain's enormous contribution in the field of music, art, literature, which resulted in solidifying multiculturalism and social integration, not only in India but across the world, the Tirthankar Mahavir University, Muradabad is proud to confer upon him the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, honoris causa. Honorable Chancellor Sir, I feel honored to present to you Shri Ravindra Jain for conferment of degree of Doctor of Philosophy, honoris causa.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Chancellor of Tirthankar Mahavir University, I admit Shri Ravindra Jain to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy, honoris causa.
Now I request Shri Ravindra Jain ji for his address.
यहाँ विराजित सभी गणमान्य अतिथिगण, छात्र, मैं बोलना मेरी विधा नहीं है, कुछ पंक्तियाँ आपके लिए पढ़ूंगा। एक पुराने से मकाम पर, मेरी उम्र अभी 68 साल है, एक पुराने से मकाम पर चढ़ गया फिर रंग नया, एक पुराने से मकाम पर चढ़ गया फिर रंग नया, एक परमानेंट स्टूडेंट मास्टर हो गया। मेरा कुछ इसमें नहीं है, मेरा कुछ इसमें नहीं है, ये है TMU का कमाल। रात को बीमार आया, सुबह डॉक्टर हो गया। रात को बीमार आया, सुबह डॉक्टर हो गया। ये पल सजा रहेगा हर पल याद में, ये पल सजा रहेगा हर पल याद में, मन की मिली मुराद मुरादाबाद में, मन की मिली मुराद मुरादाबाद में। और दोस्तों, महामहिम जी के लिए चंद पंक्तियाँ पढ़ रहा हूँ। उज्ज्वल छवि जग जाहिर ना, उज्ज्वल छवि जग जाहिर ना, महामहिम श्री अब्दुल कलाम, महामहिम श्री अब्दुल कलाम। ज्ञान और विज्ञान के धाम, ज्ञान और विज्ञान के धाम, ज्ञान और विज्ञान के धाम, श्री महामहिम श्री अब्दुल कलाम, महामहिम श्री अब्दुल कलाम। इनके हाथ से मिला इनाम, इनके हाथ से मिला इनाम, इनके हाथ से मिला इनाम। शुभ कर्मों का शुभ परिणाम, शुभ कर्मों का। एक दोहा पढ़ रहा हूँ। म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर, हाँ जी, म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर हुआ आज डॉक्टर जैन, म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर हुआ आज डॉक्टर जैन। अब डरने की बात क्या, संग मिसाइल में। अब डरने की बात क्या, संग मिसाइल में। दोस्तों, आई ओ दिस ग्रेट ऑनर विद माय फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, फैंस, जेंट्स और नॉन जेंट्स, सबके साथ में बांटूंगा ये अवार्ड अपना और सबकी दुआओं से मिला है। दोस्तों, अधिकारी धन्यवाद का प्रत्येक नाम है, अधिकारी धन्यवाद का प्रत्येक नाम है। मैं धन्यवाद देना कहाँ से शुरू करूँ, मैं धन्यवाद देना कहाँ से शुरू करूँ। दिल और ज़बान दोनों कह रहे हैं शुक्रिया, दिल और ज़बान दोनों कह रहे हैं शुक्रिया। दिल से शुरू करूं या ज़बान से शुरू करूं, मैं धन्यवाद देना कहाँ से शुरू करूं। थैंक यू दोस्तों। दो चौपाइयाँ पढ़ रहा हूँ। TMU ने मुझे बुलाया, TMU ने मुझे बुलाया, एक विशेष पदवी से सजाया। लेकिन मैं ये पूछने आया, मुझे दार्शनिक क्यों ठहराया। राम सिया राम, सिया राम जय जय राम, राम सिया राम, सिया राम जय जय राम। दोस्तों, एक ही नाम ऐसा है जिसमें सारे नाम समाहित हैं और वो हैं यहाँ के कुलाधिपति श्री सुरेश जैन जी, कुलपति श्री मित्तल जी और समस्त पदाधिकारीगण। मैं सबका बहुत बहुत आभार मानता हूँ और आभार मानने से डरता इसलिए हूँ कि आभार मानने से कहीं ऋण का भार कम न हो जाए, लेकिन फिर ये औपचारिकता है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आप सबका। थैंक यू।
By the recipient of honorary Khoja degrees and pray Almighty for their continued success in personal and professional life. Now we shall be presenting the degree to the outgoing graduates and postgraduates of the university. In that series, Mr. Vice Chancellor, I present to you 25 students of Master of Education for the session 2008 and 9, 25 for the session 2009 and 10, 35 for the session 2010 and 11. Also, 96 students of Master of Business Administration for the session 2008-10, 144 students of MBA for the session 2009-11, 13 students of Master of Pharmacy for the session 2008-10, and 51 students for the session 2009-11. 90 students of Master of Science in Nursing, 70 students of Master of Social Work, and 9 students of Master of Hospital Administration for the session 2009-11. Those who are present here as well as those who could not, but their names appear in the list. They have been examined and found qualified for the award of respective master's degree. I pray that they be admitted to the master's degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor of Tirthankar Mahavir University, I admit you all to the respective master's degree and charge you that forever in your life, thought, action and conversion, you prove yourself worthy of the same.
Mr. Vice Chancellor, now I present to you under students each of Bachelor of Education for the session 2008-9, 2009-10 and 2010-11. 158 students of Bachelor of Business Administration and 173 students of Bachelor of Computer Applications for the session 2008-11. 12 students of post-basic bachelor's degree, Bachelor of Science in Nursing for the session 2009-11. 15 students of Bachelor of Library and Information Science for the session 2010-11. Those who are present here as well as those who could not, but their names appear in the list. They have been examined and found qualified for the award of respective bachelor's degree. I pray that they be admitted to the respective bachelor degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the Vice Chancellor of Tirthankar Mahaveer University, I admit you all to the respective bachelor's degree and charge you that forever in your life, thought, action and conversion, you prove yourself worthy of the same.
Thank you, sir.
May I request Honorable Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam to present the academic medals and certificates of merit to the rank holders of various programs who have been found qualified for these awards for the year 2000.
अभी बच्चा नहीं मानता तब क्या करेंगे बच्चे से? आपसे मना करना है, आप लोगों को समझ नहीं आ रही बात।
Priyanka Ghosh to receive the silver medal in absentia. Now I call Monica Jain to receive the bronze medal.
हाँ, उस पर देखो तुम। चलो आप इधर से यहाँ से आए। अब चलो आप पीछे चलो।
Now I invite the rank holders of the B.Ed program for the year 2009. Anu Jain to receive the gold medal for B.Ed and Anu Jain will also receive the gold medal for M.Ed 2010. She is the recipient of 2 gold medals. Vinita Singh to receive the silver medal. Nidhi Khanna to receive the bronze medal. Now I invite the rank holders of the M.Ed program for the year 2010. Swati Gupta to receive the silver medal. Mrs. Sarita Gupta, mother of Swati Gupta, will receive her medal.
अब मैं क्या करूँ बताओ? अब ये बच्चे आएंगे ना सबको।
रास्ता खाली करवा दें। रास्ता खाली थोड़ा खाली कर दें। रास्ता खाली रखें, ट्रैक थोड़ा आगे लगा वीडियो या पीछे ले लो।
Now I invite the rank holder of the MBA program for the year 2010, Swati Sharma, to receive the gold medal.
ये थोड़ा आगे कर लो या पीछे कर लो ना, आगे करो या पीछे करो।
आप लोग चलो अपनी अपनी सीटों पे चलो।
Vidya Sharma to receive the silver medal. Alok Kumar Singh to receive the bronze medal. I invite the rank holder of the M Pharma program for the year 2010, Abhinav Kumar, to receive the gold medal. Vaibhav Rathore to receive the silver medal. Parmar Shekhar Pankaj Kumar to receive the bronze medal. the rank holders of the BA program for the year 2010. Veena Bishnoi received the gold medal. Kusum Lata received the silver medal. Barun Saxena received the bronze medal. I invite the rank holder of the MS program for the year 2011, Neha Vyas, to receive gold medal. Elena Paul to receive the silver medal. Kimchi Singh to receive the bronze medal. I invite the rank holder of the MBA program for the year 2011. There are two recipients of gold medal, Shruti Mathur and Saloni Jain. First, Shruti Mathur will take the gold medal. Then Saloni Jain. Anupriya Rajput received the silver medal. Shobit Jain to receive the bronze medal. I invite the rank holders of the BS program for the year 2011, Khushbu Chauhan to receive the gold medal. Yashika Agarwal to receive the silver medal. Kanika Kashyap to receive the bronze medal. I invite the rank holders of the M Pharma program for the year 2011, Raghav Mishra to receive the gold medal. Saurabh Srivastava to receive the silver medal. Prabhakar Sagar to receive the bronze medal. Now I invite the rank holder of the MSc Nursing program for the year 2011, Ravideep Kaur to receive the gold medal. Kamlesh Kumari to receive the silver medal. Radha Rani to receive the bronze medal. Now I invite the rank holders of the MSW program for the year 2011, Veda Singh to receive the gold medal. Ani Saxena to receive the silver medal. Jaspreet Kaur to receive the bronze medal. I invite the rank holders of the MSc program for the year 2011, Sanju Kumari to receive gold medal. Prati Saxena to receive silver medal. Sonu Kumar to receive bronze medal. Now I invite the rank holders of the CCA program for the year 2011, Shilpi Goyal to receive the gold medal. Nikhil Jain to receive the silver medal. Nitin Gupta to receive the bronze medal. I invite the rank holders of CCA program for the 2011, Charu Khera to receive the gold medal. Nimisha Agarwal to receive the silver medal. Uba Shakir to receive the bronze medal. Next, I invite the rank holders of the post-basic BSc Nursing program for the year 2011, Joyce George to receive the gold medal. Abraham T to receive the silver medal in Absentia. Zoya Abhishek Dar to receive the bronze medal. Now I invite the rank holders of the BLM and ISC program for the year 2011, Himanshu Sharma to receive the gold medal. Purnima to receive the silver medal. Shehnaz to receive the bronze medal. Finally, I invite the rank holders of the Diploma in Pharmacy program for the year 2011, Ishan Bharti to receive the gold medal. Mohammad Azam Ansari to receive the silver medal. Sanjeev Kumar to receive the bronze medal. Thank you very much, sir. Now I request the Registrar for the conduct of further proceedings. Thank you.
Out of which 75% students have taken the degree in person and rest of the students students could not take it. They are in first. Thank you so much. Now, I request Honorable Shri Iqbal Mahmood Ji, President, Government of Uttar Pradesh, for his address. Shri Iqbal Mahmood Sahab.
His Excellency Dr. Abdul Kalam Ji, Vice Chancellor of the Tirthankar University, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Guest of Honor, and all the students who are here to get their degrees and awardings. मैं उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री जनाब अखिलेश यादव जी की तरफ से जो इस समारोह में आने वाले थे, किसी कारणवश नहीं आ पाए हैं, उनका लेटर, उनका पत्र मैं यहाँ पढ़कर आपको सुना रहा हूँ, जो इस यूनिवर्सिटी के वाइस चांसलर साहब के लिए अखिलेश यादव जी मुख्यमंत्री उत्तर प्रदेश ने भेजा। प्रिय प्रोफेसर R.K. मित्तल जी, वाइस चांसलर ऑफ दिस यूनिवर्सिटी, तीर्थंकर महाविद्यालय के प्रथम दीक्षांत समारोह की अध्यक्षता करने के लिए आपने आमंत्रित किया, इसके लिए हम आपके आभारी हैं। अपहार्य व्यवस्थावश चाहकर भी इस कार्यक्रम में सम्मिलित नहीं हो पा रहा हूँ।